On what a YouTube, it's your boy 345 Germ, y'all. That's gonna be like a little quick and short video, man. But as y'all can see, we starting the video off with the battery outside the car, the 345, y'all, because the battery on the 345 is all the way dead, man. After we just changed the starter, y'all, it is clicking and stuff, and I think it's because it's all corroded up and stuff on the terminal lines and stuff right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and get some new ones. But I got the warranty on it, so I'm not gonna be paying nothing out of pocket. Ooh, look at my goddamn ankles. They look ashy as hell. My hands ashy. I'll be right back, y'all. Let me go ahead and post some motion real quick before I get too deep in this video for y'all. So as y'all can see, though, I popped up on the hood to see if I had any problems under the hood, but it wasn't nothing, y'all. So when I went on ahead and tried to jump it, it was making a clicking noise. So that let me know that it was the battery itself instead of it being a jump. So we about to just go ahead and swap it out with a brand new one. So we about to go make over the AutoZone real quick and go grab us a new battery real quick. So as y'all boys can see, I did not just show y'all boys, but we did just secure us a nice new battery. He told me that the battery was too dead, y'all, to even be able to read the voltage on it when we just went inside. So that let y'all know that the battery was well over dead, y'all, and that it was going bad on me, y'all. So I'm not even too mad. I know that it was the battery because when I gave it the jump, y'all, I gave it a jump like 3 or 4 times. I even was pressing the gas pedal on the inside and it still wasn't turning over. And I even had got some brand new stronger jumper cables from the last time because mine had melted on me when I tried to do it one time. So that let me know that my battery was dead, y'all. So now we about to go ahead and just make our way to the house after we run in the store real quick and see if we can get the 345 to cut on. I'm gonna still give it a jump too, just to give it an extra little charge, because I don't know if that battery charged up or not, but I'm gonna still just give it some charge just to give it something to hold on to, you feel me? What we about to do is we're about to go ahead and jump the 345 real quick, y'all, just to make sure that the battery still got some voltage in it, like I said, you feel me? Because I don't know how much I actually got. So we're about to go ahead and jump it with Duke's car, put it behind mine, give it a nice little jump so I can get some more voltage than what I actually got, because I don't know how much I actually got. So yeah, what I gotta go through every time just to jump my car. So first, I gotta move this car back. You feel me? Gotta move this car back first. Park it. Cut it off. Step foot inside of this car. And since the key fob battery is dying on this one, y'all, what I'll be having to do is push this against this. Move this second car to finally put it behind my car. To finally be able to put the shit behind my car. Got the hood pop. Let's go ahead and hop outside real quick, y'all. I'm gonna leave the car on real quick. Actually, I'm gonna cut it off real quick just till I get the cables on. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and see how strong the young nigga is. So y'all see the negative, the positive. We gotta pick it up. You gotta place it in here, y'all, and we gotta make sure we don't sit it on top of the cable. So that's gonna be hard real quick, but I'm gonna go ahead and sit it on top of the tire first. Move those over, then slide it over, if that makes sense. Let's go ahead. Flip it the way we need to. So the positive on the side, the negative on the side. So we flipped it the right way. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Actually, nope. We gotta move the negative out the way, the negative in the way. And then my latches on my trunk are always following me, y'all. The latches on here is bad, so I gotta make sure this don't fall on my head. But the negative terminal low-key in the way. So damn, what I tell y'all, the negative is in the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna take the plastic cover off and I'm gonna sit it to the side for now. I'm gonna put the negative on and then tighten it down in a minute for now, like, if that makes sense. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is scoot it over, boom, place it on. We'll move like this. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to put y'all boys down for like a sub. Actually, boom. We make this shit work. Fuck is y'all talking about? 345 Germ do this. I do this, y'all. One hand. Boom. Let me get this off. So y'all boys can't see your boy Germ is fire. And I'm Dolo. No cameraman. Got this one off. Positive. Boom. Then I got the 10mm in my pocket, y'all. So let me go ahead and pull that out. Let me go ahead and scoot this a little closer. I want it to be like right here. And then give me 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna make sure that this shaved or like pushed all the way down as far as possible as it can go, y'all. If that makes sense. All right, got the right side on. I didn't tighten it up because I want to show y'all boys tighten it up. I want to show y'all like the whole process. You feel me? I want to show y'all a little bit of everything. Like, you feel me? Like if this is y'all boys' car. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the sensor in. My Dukes is calling me, y'all. So after I do this, I will be back in a second. Look, the battery instantly cut on too, y'all. Battery instantly cut on. Stick this in here. Stick this. We gotta shave this down a little further, y'all. So give me a second. Let me make that down nice and flush. Let me take this back out for now, though. Actually, and let me go see what mom want. I will be right back with y'all boys. Let me scoot it back though, just so it don't cause no type of sparks for now. Hey y'all, so we is back. Oh shit. Gotta let y'all know that they got some type of charge on the battery, y'all. My last battery wasn't here doing that. If that makes sense. Let me go ahead and loosen that, y'all. Let me loosen that clamp up. Let me take this tan off so I can open it up a little bit more. Not take the tan off, but open it up, y'all. You feel me? Loosen up clamp so I can go down a little bit further. Slide down like better. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna do this off camera real quick. Let me loosen this up and take that off and put it back on, just so I can be able to get it down as far as possible so I can keep a stable connection. All right, y'all boys, we just tightened up both sides, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the cables on both cars. Now I'll start off by putting the cables on my car, then start off by putting the cables on the other car, then we're gonna go ahead and get it started from there, y'all. All right, as our boys can see, cables on the first car, cables on the second, cables on the positive, cables on the negative. Actually, I was talking, y'all. Give me 1 second. Make sure the prongs on there good. Prongs on the 345 good. Make sure it's on there like this. Boom. Let's go ahead and hop inside the jumper car. Cut it off. Look at Duke's shiny steering wheel. I forgot the battery was dead, y'all. So this is my process I gotta do every time, literally. Foot back off the brake and put it back on the brake again. Boom. Now what we gotta do is, yeah, cause see that the battery is already on, y'all, but I'm gonna give it some more gas just to charge the battery up a little more than what it is already, y'all. Cause like I said, I don't know what the temps is at. Not the temps, but I don't know what the battery voltage is at. And I only had my battery from AutoZone last year for only a year, y'all, and it's already going bad on me. So that's kind of making me question, like, do they got bad batteries, or like, did I do something wrong to my battery, or did they give me a faulty one or something like that? Because y'all, I just bought it last year, y'all, because the battery on the 345 had one bad on the first time I had it, y'all. So this will be the second one, but we just revving it up to like 3,000 RPMs, y'all. Not letting it get to at 3,000 RPMs, but a little bit below it for real. Like this, we don't want to put too much stress on the engine and the motor. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're about to go see if she'll cut right on, y'all. Let's give it 2 more minutes. So at 10 o'clock, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get a 345 jump to see if she cut on, y'all. Man, it's 10 o'clock, so let's go ahead and see if the 345 will cut right on now, man. Hopefully my baby cut on, man. Let's give her a try. Okay, that's a good indicator. There we go. My baby is back on. Why the traction off? Why is my traction off? Y'all, something with my battery is not right, y'all. So I gotta check some stuff to make sure that my battery is right, because for it to be service electronic stability control, that means that I gotta do something with something being faulty. So let me go make sure that when I did my starter, I made sure everything on the bottom of it was tightened. And then let me make sure everything on my fuse box is good and everything in the back of my fuse box is good as well, y'all. Because my traction is not supposed to be off. I don't even got the traction off. Like, I can't even press the button right now. Let me show y'all, boys. Let me see if I put it in sport mode. Won't even go in sport mode traction. So let's see if we got any lights in the diagnostics, y'all. Let's make sure. Let's see if we got anything. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut her off and see if we got any problems real quick, y'all. Coming back from Google, what they said was it was a problem with my intake. So let's make sure the intake, what is they saying? What's wrong with the intake, y'all? What could be wrong? It is dirty, y'all. So the intake could be dirty and it's not breathing right, y'all, because the intake do gotta get cleaned. As y'all can see, the intake is real dirty. Just looking at it from right here, y'all might not be able to tell as I can tell on camera, but the intake is real dirty, y'all. But I don't see anything. Service electronic stability control. This in place, this in place. This nice and tight. I don't see no type of gaps in between it. So we're gonna go ahead and look through all our work. Let me go ahead and open up the fuse box. Make sure these is all pushed down. Sometimes your stuff could get loose, y'all. Y'all never know. These cars is just real sensitive, like real sensitive, y'all. Y'all never know about Dodge. Y'all boys did not know. The LED lights is already broken on the 345, so we don't have no more color changing headlights as of right now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the back fuse box, open that up, and make sure everything on the back of here is still in place as well. I'm about to cut her back on, check lights again in a second, and see if it just had show lights for the first crank up and not for the second, because y'all know how lights reset once you cut the car back on the second time and stuff like that. So let me just come up under here, check my work. Can't never go wrong go checking your work. So damn, smoke's going here good, ain't it? Boom. Just push everything down, y'all. Every fuse, just make sure they all push down and in place. Look at some of them and check to see if any of them look not pushed all the way in. Like that one in the corner just felt like it wasn't pushed all the way in. I just pushed one in the corner all the way in, y'all. It felt like it wasn't in, but boom. These all pushed in, y'all. Boom. Low-key pushed in 2 of them out of all of them that I pushed. So, fuck do we just toss the cover at? When I say I move so fast, y'all, I move so fast. I move too fast for my own sake sometimes. But y'all, we actually got to take the battery off for the 345, y'all. We got to go see. Oh, I need to tighten this battery on her. That's what I need to do, y'all. Battery needs to get tightened so it don't slide around. That's what this is for. I don't know how to clip it on there though. That's the thing though, y'all. How was we supposed to clip this on here like this? Go like this. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me figure out how to put this clip on the battery. I think I'm going around that hook right there. So let me go ahead and try to put this on here so I can tighten the battery in place, so when I'm actually driving and stuff like that, it don't slide around and all of that. Okay, y'all, got the thing on there nice and tightened. Let's go ahead and cut it back on the inside. Check the screen for any messages again real quick, y'all. I don't think we even gave 345 enough time on the cables either, y'all, honestly. But no stored messages as of right now. Messages probably won't show up until I cut on the car. There we go. There go the first message. Check and see if she got any codes. No codes. Let's give her a start. Okay, so the traction light is off. Let's just see if it cut back on. One more time. Let me cut off the flash for y'all. Just see if it cut back on one more time now, y'all. So the traction light is off now. And this light is still on, y'all, but that's because I gotta take off my back bumper, y'all. And I gotta actually clean the behind of my back bumper because I got up under the car, y'all, and there's a lot of mud all up on my wiring and all up on my sensors in the backyard. So I gotta just go ahead and clean that by taking the back bumper off. But y'all, as y'all can see, we got the light back off, and she nice and she sound good. Let me check my battery voltage, y'all, make sure she good. My battery is at a 14.6, so she had a good holding right now, y'all. So I'm gonna cut her back off real quick. Let me see. Let me lock my door. Oh, the door's not gonna lock because... Okay, so the lock on that side still make that noise, y'all. Okay, still make that noise. But yeah, man, we good for now. So we're gonna go ahead and cut my baby off. This, like I said, this was a quick little video, y'all, man. But this is just the little stuff. Look at this shit, man. This got to be my pulley, y'all. I think that my pulley done went bad on my car from us changing my water pump because my pops had accidentally popped a bolt for it, y'all. But it was actually still in place. But she actually good, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, and we're gonna end the video off right here, man. It's just a little daily video, the stuff that I be having to go through with the 345, man. I just wanted to show y'all a quick little video. The 345 has been revived once again from the dead. As always, y'all probably can't see me. Let me cut on the lights real quick. But this just was a quick little daily video showing y'all of what the 345 is like to be revived once again, man. I just wanted to show y'all what I be having to go through off a camera. This is what I don't show the camera because these just be quick little stuff. Y'all see this ain't nothing but like a 12-minute video, 13-minute video. But I just wanted to show y'all this time like what it's like to actually deal with my type of stuff that I got to deal with the Johnny 345, my baby. But we're gonna end the video off on this note, man. I hope y'all boys enjoyed this little short video that we had, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're gonna end it off right here, man. Peace.